Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be doing a comprehensive analysis of the dynamic and fierce competition between the world's leading aircraft manufacturers, Airbus and Boeing. Boeing, established in 1916 in the United States, has solidified its position as a dominant force in the global aviation industry. Renowned for its cutting-edge technologies and its strong presence in both commercial and military aviation. Airbus, founded in 1970 as a European consortium, has emerged as a formidable challenger, known for its innovative approach to aircraft design and a growing international market share. Boeing's dominant presence in the American market has solidified its position as a major player in global aviation. In contrast, Airbus strategically expanded its reach in Europe and beyond, catering to the diverse international market with its emphasis on passenger comfort and environmental sustainability. The intense rivalry between Airbus and Boeing has fueled the relentless pursuit of technological advancement. Both companies have excelled in specific areas, leveraging their expertise and substantial investments in research and development to pioneer breakthroughs in aerodynamics, materials, and avionics, driving the industry forward. In response to Boeing's innovation, Airbus introduced the A320neo, a fuel-efficient and technologically advanced narrow-body aircraft. Similarly, Boeing responded with the 737 MAX series, integrating cutting-edge features to compete in the narrow-body market segment, marking significant milestones in the ongoing competition between the two industry giants. Some examples of Airbus equivalent to popular Boeing aircrafts include the Airbus A320 as a counterpart to the Boeing 737, the Airbus A330 as a counterpart to the Boeing 767, and the Airbus A350 as a counterpart to the Boeing 777. Boeing, with its extensive market presence and diversified portfolio, remains a formidable force in the aviation industry, producing a little below 500 aircrafts annually. The company continues to maintain a competitive edge in the market. Airbus, on the other hand, with its strong global presence and a robust production line, produces a little over 600 aircrafts every year, making it a formidable competitor. As we conclude this comprehensive exploration of the intense rivalry between Airbus and Boeing, both companies remain dedicated to pushing the boundaries of innovation and excellence in the aviation industry. Their unwavering commitment to technological advancement and market dominance continues to shape the future of air travel, ensuring a dynamic and competitive landscape for years to come. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more exciting aviation content. Until next time, stay safe.